Good morning to all. 9th Maths exercise 1.1 second sum. List the set of letters of the following words in roster form. Definition of roster form. A set can be described by the listing all the elements of sets. First one, India. Solution. First one, India. List the elements in India. Write within the corollary bracket, write the elements in one time. First one, A is equal to I N D I A, India. Second one, parallelogram, P A R A L L E L O G R A M, parallelogram. This is set B. Write the elements in one time within the corollary bracket. B, A, R, A is repeated, don't write A, L, write one time, then again write E, L is repeated, don't write O, G, R is repeated, R don't write, then A also repeated, don't write. Last elements M. Set B, D, A, R, L, E, O, G, M. Third sum. Consider the following set A 0, 3, 5, 8, set B 2, 4, 6, 10, set C 12, 14, 18, 20. First one, A. State whether true or false. This symbol means blanks. This is not blanks. So first one, 18 belongs to C. So check the set C. Set C having 18. So 18 belongs to C. True. Then second one, 6 belongs to A. See the set A 0, 3, 5, 8. 6 not belongs to 6 not belongs to A. 6 is not in A. So this is true. 14 not belongs to C. But here C having 14. So this is false. Then fifth one, 10 belongs to B. Check the set B 2, 4, 6, 10. So 10 belongs to B. So true. Fifth one, 5 belongs to B. 5 belongs to B. So 5 not in the set B. So this is false. Then last one, 0 belongs to B. 0 belongs to B. Check the set B. B not having 0. So 0 belongs to B is false. Fourth sum. Represent the following set in roster form. First one, A. The set of all even natural numbers less than 20. Solution. Roster form means list the elements. Set A is equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Second one, B is equal to Y such that Y is equal to 1 divided by 2n. N belongs to natural number, n less than or equal to 5. This is set builder form is given. We want to make roster form. N equal to less than or equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First put n equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to 1 divided by 2. then second put n equal to 2, y is equal to 1 divided by 2n is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 2 is equal to 1 divided by 4, put n equal to 3, y is equal to 1 divided by 2n equal to 1 divided by 2 into 3, 1 divided by 2 3s are 6, then put n equal to 4, y is equal to 1 divided by 2n is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 4 is equal to 1 divided by 8, then put n equal to 5, y is equal to 1 divided by 2n is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 5 is equal to 1 divided by 10. Now set b is equal to, write the elements 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8 and 1 by 10. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10. Third sum, c is equal to x such that x is a perfect cube of 27 less than x less than 216. Perfect cube between 27 and 216, 64 and 125. C is equal to 64 and 125. 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. So perfect cube between 27 less than x less than 216, 64 and 125. Fifth sum, d is equal to x such that x belongs to integers minus x belongs to integer minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 2. So d is equal to, set d is equal to 5 less than x less than or equal to 2, minus 4, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 5 less than x less than or equal to 12. So set d is equal to between minus 5 and less than or equal to 2. Fifth sum, represent the following set in set builder form. B is equal to, set B is equal to the set of all cricket players in India who scored double century in one day international. So here descriptive form is given. We want to change set builder form. Set builder form means all the elements described by rule. B is equal to x such that x is an Indian player who scored double century. Double centuries in one day international. International. C is equal to 1 divided by 2, 2 divided by 3, 3 divided by 4. Here roast form is given. We want to change set builder form. Solution, C is equal to x such that x is equal to n divided by n plus 1. N belongs to natural number. Check this. C is equal to x such that x is equal to n divided by n plus 1. N belongs to natural number. Apply n equal to 1. 1 numerator 1, denominator 1 plus 1, 2. First answer is came. Then second one, n equal to 2. Apply 2. N equal to 2. Numerator 2, denominator 2 plus 1, 3. Thank you, students.